All right, I'm at a home neighborhood off of Robinson Street. We've actually done a few of these homes a while back. But yeah, what it's got is an Apollo air handler in the attic that's got a busted water coil, which is typical. They typically bust when they get about 15, 20 years old. So Apollo is a thing of the past. So what we do is switch the system over to a heat pump, which would be new heating and air conditioning. And what we'll have to do is do a new heat pump condenser out here, a new pad. We'll have to run new copper lines and a new thermostat wire, which we run up the side of the home, and we put in a white decorative cover. Looks kind of like a gutter going down the house, but it's a little more decorative than a gutter. We'll actually do a new disconnect box and a new wire from that box to the unit. As you can see, the thermostat wire needs to be replaced anyway. It's all ripped up. And then the new unit, I have a new kind of Freon in it, so that's another reason why we'll need to run new copper lines. But again, it'll look just like a gutter going down the back of the house, just like this one, but again, it actually looks a little more decorative than a gutter. So the reason I keep saying that is because it'll look good going down the side of the house. Now, you go up through the laundry room to get to the unit in the attic, and there's an electrical panel in the laundry room. So we'll have to pull a new circuit from that panel up into the attic for the new heat pump air handler. It runs on a larger electrical circuit than that Apollo unit does. So I'll document that as I'm going up in the attic. We'll need to do a new heat pump thermostat. And then again, we'll need to pull a new, let's see, that actually is the heat, which is that one. So that actually won't be used anymore. So we can actually probably move these three up to that spot, and then we'll run a new circuit from these two spots. And this is a Square D Homeline panel. And then your filter is a 20 by 25, which is correct for a 2.5 ton unit. And then the hot water heater's up here too, so the water lines that go from it to the Apollo unit, we'll cap those off at the hot water heater. And the hot water heater will stay. Man, it smells pretty really mildewy up here. So yeah, this whole unit here will get replaced. Be a new drain pan, new air handler, again a new electrical circuit. And we'll be able to just follow all these other wires that go down, so we can pull a new wire down there to that panel pretty easily. Make sure this ain't leaking. But these two water lines right here will cap off. They're the ones that go to the Apollo system. So these two water lines will not be used anymore. And it'll be all electric heating in there. And then again, we'll run new copper lines and a new drain right out the back of the house and down to the outdoor unit. There's plenty of room to get back there and do that. And then we'll reconnect the 14-inch return. Let's see, I'm trying to think of what else. I mean, it's what we call a one-day job. So we'll get here between 8 and 9 o'clock the day we do it. And we'll finish between 4 and 6 o'clock that evening. And the unit will be running. It'll be new heating and air conditioning, new thermostat, and then we'll pull permits with the city of Fayetteville. And the city of Fayetteville would come within about a week after we install it and just make sure we installed it up to North Carolina code. All right, that's pretty much it. I'll send this video to the homeowner along with the estimate, and I'll give him an estimate on a good basic, the least expensive heat pump we have. I understand that's a rental property, so I will not give him an estimate on anything extravagant. Yep, that's pretty much it.